CBS News has learned that up to 60,000 people have canceled their AARP membership since July 1st, angered over the group's position on health care. Elaine Gardiani has been with AARP for 14 years.
I'm extremely disappointed in the AARP.
Retired nurse Dale Anderson, 12 years.
I don't want to be connected with AARP.
Many are switching to the American Seniors Association, a group that calls itself the conservative alternative.
1,000 new members today so far. That's good.
Last week alone, they added more than 5,000 new members. Our camera was there Friday when the mail came.
It's nice to see that someone still thinks we senior citizens are not idiots.
Letters were filled with cut-up AARP cards.
I think that probably the seniors are most upset about the cuts in Medicare.
The American Seniors Association is flat out against President Obama's plan, which calls for $313 billion in Medicare cuts over 10 years. The AARP is widely viewed as supporting the president.
We have the AARP on board because they know this is a good deal for our seniors.
The AARP called the president's statements inaccurate, saying it hasn't endorsed any plan or bill. Some were left with the feeling that AARP was waffling.
I feel that they're supporting it through the back door and telling their members that they're not through the front door.
There's been some confusion as to whether AARP is supporting or endorsing the president's plan or not. Which is it?
AARP has not endorsed any plan at this point.
Yet the AARP's Cheryl Mathias couldn't find anything to quibble with, including the Medicare cuts, which she says will not affect benefits. So is there anything in President Obama's plan that you don't like?
We agree with many of the ideas, but we actually haven't seen provisions in legislation yet. So we are not, we're going to reserve judgment until we see them.
Meantime, the AARP's image suffered with this town hall meeting August 4th, already seen by hundreds of thousands on YouTube. Faced with skeptical questions from the audience, the AARP representative ends the meeting abruptly.
I'm done.
When the discussion continues, she pulls the plug on the microphone. AARP says for a group with 40 million members that adds hundreds of thousands each month, losing 60,000 is just a drop in the bucket. But to the much smaller American Seniors Association, it's a flood. Cheryl Atkinson, CBS News, Washington.